3, 2, Hi! Welcome back to our channel, mga kabahag!
Kaya kabahag ang tawag namin sa inyo ay dahil kami ay galing sa Mindoro. Ang tawag sa amin ay mangyan, pero binago namin ang aming term kundi kabahag. What's up mga kabahag? Panibagong araw at bagong video na naman tayo. Pupuntahan natin si partner sa labas dahil siya ay nagluluto. Let's go! Ano niluto mo?
Minudong manok.
You and I till the end, don't need to pretend again and again. We'll stick together, everything is alright with you by my side. We won't say goodbye, we'll stick together. I can pick you up when you're heading down. When it all just sucks, I'll be your Charlie Brown. You can make me laugh when I wanna cry. In a world gone mad, we're on an all-time high. And it wouldn't be the same without you. We have yet so many stupid things to do. You're the only thing I'm holding on to. Anywhere and anything, I'll be there. And I till the end, don't need to pretend again and again. Yeah, yeah, yeah. And I till the end, don't need to pretend again and again.
I pull into your driveway, it's a Saturday night. You look like $1,000,000 wearing that dress I like. You're smiling but there's something missing in your eyes. Girl, I can tell that you have something on your mind. But I will make you forget all your sorrows. Let go like there's no tomorrow. Let's have a drink, just relax, all your problems will fade. If you're ready for a good time, count on me. There's a party in the backyard, dance your problems away. I'm all about the good vibes, I know you're all about the good vibes. Do you know how much I love you, wanna see you smile? Where's that happy girl that I know with a heart on fire? I'll do anything to make it fine, but I can tell that you have something on your mind right now.
Free taste.
Free taste. Paano sa tawa ni Denver?
Huh?
Paano tawanan sa Money Heist?
Okay?
Hindi ganun.
Ano ikaw? Ajinomoto.
Oo naman. Tapos, pag tinakpan sila, nagagalit. Nagagalit pala kayo eh. Ano sinigil mo?
Tatakpan mo. And then, 1 to 10 minutes again.
Plastic.
Sarap.
Yes. And then put the another 5 minutes. So, the
Carrots and potatoes.
another 5 minutes.
Close.
It's already done.
Talo nga kami.
Ayun na nga mga kabahag. Tapos na tayo magluto ng
Menudo.
So, ayun nga mga kabahag, road to more exciting videos tayo, abang-abang lang, at don't forget to subscribe.
And hit the bell mga kabahag. Maraming salamat sa inyo.
Ayun, shout out sa mga nanood sa amin sa aming first video. Thank you to all the Mindoreños out there.
Kaibigan at sa family namin.
Comment below your suggestions at babasahin namin lahat yan.
See you next time mga kabahag.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Love, love.